All right, number 4. This time the polynomial is a little bit out of order, so I'm going to just rearrange it. The m squared is at the back. I'm going to write it up front. It's positive because I see the plus sign in front of it. And then the 23m would be next. It's positive because of the plus sign in front of it. So I'm going to say 23m. And then the 22 is positive. It doesn't have a minus in front of it. So plus 22. All right, so again, the process is first number times last number, which is 22. Factors of 22 are 1 times 22, 2 times 11, and I think that's it. We want to add to get 23. That would be 1 plus 22 will give us 23. So I'm going to do 2 sets of parentheses, put the m in both. So we've got a different variable. Instead of x, we have m. 1 and 22 at the back. This sign tells me my bigger number, so 22 is bigger, so plus. The second sign tells me they're the same. M plus 1, m plus 22. So number 5 looks a little different. All the previous problems we had a second degree. This problem starts out with a third degree. So the key here, this time we want to factor out the greatest common factor. So all of these numbers are divisible by 5 because I want to try to make this to be a 1. So I'm going to try to divide by 5. And they all have x, so I can pull out 5x from each term. So divide by 5x, that will leave me with x squared. Divide by 5, negative 6, pull out 1x, so that leaves 1x. 40 divided by 5 is 8, and then we pulled out that x. So here's the remaining quadratic. And at this point, we want to factor the part that's in the parentheses. This 5x is just going to come down and stay with us. So 1 times 8. This is now my first number. 1 times 8. Factors of 8 are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. We want to add to get a 6, to get 6. So 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Alright, so I'm going to bring down the 5x and then do my 2 sets of parentheses. We're going to split the x up and put an x in each. And we're going to put the 2 and the 4 at the back. First sign is the bigger number, so out of 2 and 4, 4 is bigger, so it's going to get a negative. This positive tells me they're the same sign. So this is also a negative. And then we're factored.